Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we have a 100th anniversary 2003 Harley Davidson Sportster 1200 Custom. This bike has just under 7,900 miles on it and is in incredible condition. Doesn't show any signs of damage, but does have a few minor scuffs and scratches on it. So let's take our walk around it. We'll show you the highlights, what we found, and then we'll fire it up for you. This 1200cc Sportster. Front tire still in good shape, plenty of miles left on that. Comes with a quick release clear windscreen. As well as highway bars, factory forward controls, Screamin' Eagle air intake, and a passenger backrest. And you can see by the rear tire, that's in excellent condition. You can see here we've got a little scrape or a little scuffing on the back fender. And it does come with the Harley battery cover. And you can see a light scuff there and a small scratch there. So just some minor stuff like that. Again, forward controls with the highway bars. So really, overall, a very clean looking 03 Sporty. $78.90 is what's on it. Sounds like the baffles might be drilled in this too. The pipe's got a little bit of a rumble to them. So this 03 Sporty has been through our pre-sale inspection, and as with all our other motorcycles, for the entire time you own this Harley from us, you will get a discount on your parts, your labor, and of course more accessories. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.
We got helmets too.